Father's Day is coming up and many people are busy buying gifts for their dads and trying to make them feel special. An important part of being a father is spending time with one's child and bonding with it. But where does India stand vis-a-vis paternity benefits for new fathers? The best way to know this is to consult the right data. So here are 2 ways in which you can go about gathering these stats. In the first, you start by visiting the websites of India's 2 stock exchanges, the NSE and the BSE. Not all companies are listed on both, so you would have to visit both sites for accurate data. Then you look for BRSR, that's Business Responsibility and Sustainability Reports. BRSR is a report that contains non-financial information about a company on parameters of economic, social, governance and sustainability aspects. The Security and Exchanges Board of India mandates the top 1,000 companies in the country to file these reports. Of course, this means that not every corporate entity in India will find itself in this list. It also means that the companies reporting are liable to change based on their position on the corporate ladder at the time. Anyway, once you have located the reports, key in particulars like the period for which you need data. After this, you can download the reports in PDF and XML. A fact worth noting here is that some companies file more than one report for 1 year, and some firms report by calendar year, while others report by financial year. Once you have the many reports you need, you will extract data from the XML files, but even within them, metrics are not standard. Then, you can cross-check the extracted data with the corresponding PDF files and ensure you have everything right. If all this sounds difficult, trust us when we say that it is far more convoluted in practice. But if you want accurate data without all the fuss, you could visit dataful.in, log in or create an account, search Paternity BRSR, click on the relevant dataset, and check the dataset preview to see if it has the information you need. Our team took months to comb through this data by following the steps mentioned above, so you have the right numbers at your disposal. No compromise. Anyway, finally download the dataset in your preferred format. And it doesn't just have to be paternity benefits. We have a whole collection on BRSR data spanning various ESG topics like safety issues and workers' wages. So, what will it be? Locating BRSR reports on 2 websites, downloading them in 2 formats, collating and cleaning the stats in them one by one, and cross-checking every single detail for accuracy, or downloading clean, ready-to-use datasets from Dataful. Subscribe to a Dataful plan today and get access to our vast collection of cleaned, ready-to-use datasets across sectors.